Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to convert TOM to USDT on Binance account. So if you want to convert your TOM to USDT on Binance, what you're going to do is this: launch your Binance exchange this way, then tap on the icon that signifies Binance at the left corner of your interface. Okay, now tap on more service. Okay, scroll down on trade. On trade, you're going to see the first icon, that's first feature there that says convert. Tap on it. Take note, before this will take place, you must have a TOM on your Binance. So the next thing you have to do is to change the USDT up here to search for TOM. So guys, if you don't know how to convert your USDT to TOM, I have the video and I'm going to drop it on the description box of this video so that you will learn how to convert your USDT to TOM. So now, for you to convert your TOM to USDT, the first, from you change it to TOM, search for TOM, tap on TOM coin. Now the one showing dogs to, you change it to USDT. So you can now enter the amount. Okay, you can fund your wallet. Look at it. You can fund your wallet if you don't have TOM on your Binance. You can fund it through Spot Wallet, Funding Wallet, or AIN Wallet, any of them, and you tap confirm. Then you can now tap on trade for the transaction to take place. I did not input any amount, so you can just enter the amount if you want to. Let me see, 25 TOM. You can see the amount in USDT, 140 USDT for 25 TOM. So when you tap on trade, okay, so your account has insufficient fund, please fund your account. So remember, I told you that your account must be funded before this transaction will take place. So what you have to do is to tap on the increase TOM to confirm your transaction, and if you have TOM on your Binance. So when you tap on increase TOM, it will confirm your transaction. And then okay, if you don't have TOM, that is when you are going to increase your TOM. But if you have TOM, you just have to confirm your transaction and it will convert your TOM to USDT on your Binance exchange. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.